Hello, Lisa Harris here. It is necessary for you to notice this neat and nifty home nestled on a cul-de-sac street, and it's on Nick.
Nifty home on Nick with 4 bedrooms nestled on a cul-de-sac street, featuring approximately 1,751 square feet. This is a spacious floor plan with a light and bright kitchen with plenty of cabinets and granite countertops. The owner's suite is isolated and is adorned with barn doors to the large walk-in closet and spacious bathroom, equipped with a separate shower and jetted tub. Beautiful wood-like tile floors in high-traffic areas. The backyard contains a pergola and shed, and the swing set and trampoline can stay.
If you need a home near Soncy, you are in the nick of time. And I'm on Nick. Now is the time for you to call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.